Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm right in front of 2118 Alameda Boulevard in Alameda. This is a beautiful tree-lined street. You know, of course, it's fall, so you have lots of leaves on the ground. Owner's putting a new roof on, so that's wonderful. Lots of parking here at 2118. So as we walk through, it's a little messy because again, workers are doing the roof, but laundry room is to the right, and your apartment that we're showcasing today is right here, apartment A. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment. Very well laid out. You have a nice living room right here, and this extends into a private backyard. And so this is, although it's not exclusive space, there's really no one else using it. So that's super nice, and you exit into that, and it's fully fenced, which is such a nice perk. Zone heating. Here we are in the kitchen. You have range, double sink, big refrigerator, and well lit, which is super important. So let's go through the rest of the house. We have bathroom number 1 right here. It's a tub shower combination, sink, toilet, little medicine cabinet right here, and to the left you have one of the bedrooms. And one of the nice things about these bedrooms is the huge amount of closet space. Look at that. That's just amazing. So you have a linen closet here, and turning around you have bedroom number 2. Again, lots of closet space, and this one has an ensuite bath. So it's a toilet and sink combination. No shower, so want to be clear about that. But it's really, really nicely laid out. And again, another perk here is that you do have a hallway closet here as well. All right, let me end this in the backyard. And we'll sit right here. All right, thank you very much.